Welcome back to Vital Creations. In this video, I'll walk you through how to unlock Phase 3 in Sprunki. Step by step, let's dive straight into it. Step 1 is to set up the basic sounds. Add FunBot to the middle of the grid, start adding beats from the corner to corner to build a solid base, and add red beat next. Place it beside FunBot for better rhythm flow. Step 2 is to layer new sounds for Phase 2. Add a brown sound for extra depth, place Wend next to the purple for a unique blend of sounds, and add Simons next to the other beats for some variety. Let a beat play for 5 seconds to lock in the changes. Step 3 is to unlock the Phase 3 sounds. Remove Wend and place it back to black. Add green sounds to the next middle beat. Place red beats into the corners of balanced layering, and then add blue to the opposite corner. Layer purple next to the blue of variety and add light blue beside blue to enhance the harmony. Step 4 is to the final adjustment. Add B and Son to the round of your beat. Let the whole beat play for another 5 seconds to trigger the Phase 3. Make sure to add block only during this phase. It's key for unlocking. Step 5 is the bonus tips for better beats. Keep testing the beats until the sound feels balanced. Use gray for extra texture. It's surprisingly resilient through all the phases. Add effects like sun for fun animations while playing. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one.